Good day, guys. Welcome back to this channel. To those of you that are yet to subscribe and you've not subscribed, make sure you please click on the subscribe button, like and share. So let's take a look at AUD USD for this week. So we will start with the higher time frame, which is a for weekly time frame, right? So first, we can see that this is kind of like an impulse move, bullish move, right? So if you have been following this channel consistently, I talked about tapping this level of 0.71180, right? I talked about hitting this level for some times, and guess what? Price literally hit that level about 2 weeks ago. This week that just finished, price eventually dropped. So I would still want to see this price drop this week a bit for this week before it actually push up again. So basically, what I'm expecting on AUD USD for this week is a bit of a drop, then kind of like an impulse move, a bullish move, right? So let's see if we can have a drop of about 50 to 100 pips this week before AUD USD give us that bullish move again that I will be expecting. So basically, you can see that this literally is an uptrend move. So in the long run, AUD USD will definitely continue to drop, but before that, you need to get some confirmation. Maybe if it can break like one to structure, especially on the weekly time frame. Maybe then you can now assume it as a downtrend move. But as at now, we can still see it as an uptrend move. Like they always say, trade what you see and not what you think, right? The long run you might be thinking, okay, AUD to USD will actually start dropping. But what we are clearly seeing now, right now, is a pullback is literally playing out. So if in case this pullback drops, it give us if this pullback drops more, then there is a correction, then another drop is being made, then you can now assume this as a bearish move. If not, let's still see it as at now as kind of like a bullish move, right? So we would see something like this on AUD USD, then a drop, then a movement upward, and then again a drop. You can see this should be a movement upward. So what we are having now experiencing on AUD USD is actually a drop. So this drop, like I said, I am watching out for a drop of 50 to 100 pips, drop before we can kind of, expect that movement upward. Literally, what we'll see is that this drop will actually come to tap this 10 period simple moving average. This is why I've created a Patreon channel. What I intend to do in that channel is, to give out high probability trade that I believe we have 70 to 90% chance of winning that trade. On this channel, on YouTube channel, I'll just be doing, just random analysis on the forex markets. But on that channel, Patreon, what I want to do is, give out high probability trades. So I want you guys to actually watch out for it. So if in case you are interested, check the link below. I'm going to put a link in the comment section. Give it a try. And if in case you want to support this channel, you can support it to like $5. And if you want to get updates from me, exclusive content from me with just $20, you can actually setting give it so all you just have to do is check the comment section. I'll paste the link below. So down to the daily time frame, so literally this price is dropping. So do not have it in mind that if price can eventually drop to this level here, there will be a pullback probably on Monday. So expect like a pullback on Monday. Maybe price drops, then a pullback will be made before maybe the final drop for the week, and then price will start reacting up. But first, we need to get that drop right. So that is why I said if you would need in the instant update, date or an update, check the channel. Check the link below in the comment section, to actually become one of my Patreon subscribers, so you would be able to get an update from me. So now down to the 4-hour time frame. So literally price is actually dropping. So like I said, I would want you to see it drop here. So if it drops to this same level, that is 45 pips. If it can drop 45 pips, then have it in mind that there will be a bullish move that will play out up here. So let's watch out for this movement downward on AUD USD.